So in today's video, we'll be fixing a water leak coming from the fridge, which has come up underneath the flooring, and perhaps fix some flooring. See if we can find the guilty one. Right there. We'll start wearing through. I guess we'll start by tying my pants so they don't fall off. Some tools. Where's my crescent wrench? There it is. Now it's time to look for the hose that I got a long time ago that I didn't put on. Not sure where I put it. Somewhere here in this pile. Now I remember where I put it. With the rest of the plumbing stuff.
Where it was just different things and all that. What else? Candy. Yeah. Some of it. Not a whole lot. Some.
Gotta take this cover off. Put some screws here underneath here.
But yeah, anything
So
with
this is what you're hearing on the background.
that's the. Look at it. It's just got a USB.
It didn't look like one of those.
It's the headlight, the cap, and that's the headlight from it.
Then you just take it out. And,
Then you take it out whenever it has a cap to go over it,
oh, okay.
and it just pops in there. Oh, that's bright.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Charge it. Here. Flip it around and just pop it out. It pops out a little easy. You just pop it into a USB port.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty skinny for a USB thing.
Well, see here, and it only has that little piece right there. If you pull it out, that's the piece you see. It just doesn't have the encasement around it.
So, the reason I've taken this cover off, trying to figure out if it's leaking underneath other place because we keep getting water, or is it just not sure what this thing is all about, but I guess I was suspicious if it's leaking right here, if it's been rubbing. I don't see anything that is. I think it's just from line still from. Yeah, not sure. Do a little bit more investigating. So right here, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it or not. There's a little pan in here. Anyway, there's this little white pan here. There's water in it. I believe that's what's spilling. Oh my, I got all these flies here in the back. See, I was expecting when you said it's leaking, or there's water, I was expecting it leaking back here somewhere, I guess, if it pinched the line. Now I need to make some space for the stove. Yeah. No, that worked out pretty slick. So you got a new cube.
It's called a mirror cube, and it's all the same color, so you can't solve it by color. It's just odd pieces, and it's got to be a complete cube.
Let me guess, Uncle John gave you that.
Oh no.
No? Grandma.
Mom.
Okay.
Did you
Yeah.
figure it out already?
I guess we'll start by sweeping up the flies.
I got not ones that are the same size.
Yeah, I know. But what I'm saying is,
They're not like
You know you're focused on something when you ask where a trash can is when it's been there in the same spot for quite some time.
about watching the girls. 16th to the 18th won't work for us, but we could probably.
Yeah. I caulked them together a little bit. Forgot about that. We'll find out how well I nailed it, huh? Son, you can take this outside. Just lay it out on the trailer, out in the shed. Boy. You maybe to grab hold of that end there. Just the end of the trim there. That way we don't scratch the floor all up. And just, yeah, there we go. Pull it back a little bit. Okay, hold on. Here. Can I have it? I'm gonna twist, not the hammer, the trim. A piece of trim. Okay, I'm just gonna go half you. Open the door for me out there. I'm gonna kick it out. I'm gonna let you beat the rest of the
I've come to the end of myself. My hands in the air, Jesus, I've got nothing left. And I wanna keep singing, but I'm feeling the weight. I'm seeing the cycles of all the hate. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry, justice, freedom come. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry for mercy and for your love. You see the forgotten, you stand in their pain.
That's fine. Just leave them in.
You're shoulder to shoulder with all, finding them.
Like right back here. come back here and beat this one in a little bit further. Because what's going to happen that way whenever I put my trim back, it won't interfere with my trim. My trim will stand back. I'll show you. Slide right here. Even again, slide right here. This top one. Bend it kind of down so it won't be sticking on out of the top of my trim. Thank you.
Yeah, those heavenly gates, we cry for mercy and for your love. Yeah. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry justice, freedom come. Open up those heavenly gates. Yeah, those heavenly gates. We cry for mercy and for your love. Let your kingdom come, let your will be done on earth as we see it in heaven. Let your kingdom come, let your will be done on earth as we see it in heaven. Let your kingdom come, let your will be done on earth as we see it in heaven. Let your kingdom come, let your will be done on earth as we see it in heaven. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry justice, freedom come. Open up those heavenly gates. Yeah, those heavenly gates. We cry for mercy and for your love. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates.
So, don't get any ideas. I'm not a plumber. I'm just a guy that does his own plumbing. Well, ready to get back at her. Everything is dry underneath.
Those heavenly gates, we cry justice, freedom come. Open up those heavenly gates, those heavenly gates. We cry for mercy.
Take these splices shut.
For your
Help
love.
with the keep the cool out and just that's what this insulation, this vapor barrier is. Help with not just the cold because we're direct on concrete, but also it's just support. So this time I taped off the ants here in case it was to happen again. Yeah. Trying to figure out what can I do so it won't happen again. So I won't have water going underneath the flooring if it ever was to happen again. Or underneath this that way. And some coffee would be good.
anxiety, where we all overthink, giving our power to